Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set sleep timer on XIAOMI F Pro TV. First, navigate to Settings menu on your TV, then navigate to the sleep timer, and then select the amount of minutes you want to your TV to be turned on for before it goes to sleep. And once you do that, the sleep timer will be enabled, and in my case, my TV will turn off after exactly 1 hour. And if you want to turn the sleep timer off, just select the same option once again, then click OK, and this way you will disable your sleep timer. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.